Yum. Okay, we're good to go. Oh. Aim. First person. It's very necessary. The lift probably just takes me back to the start, because there doesn't seem to be any other way up there. So I would try it, but it would be a waste of time, I reckon. Whoop! Right, we're gonna do it this time. Yeah, look at the skill. No, that's not right. I didn't remember switching weapon and it ruined everything. Oh well. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. For some reason I like the way he runs. For the same reason I guess I like the way Jack runs in Jak and Daxter. It feels very fluid and animated, with floppy legs. Flop, flop, flop. Fap, fap, fap. No! But then I guess that's everything in the Jak and Daxter games, they're all very well animated. Oh, stop following me! Random face on the wall. Oh. Well, what do you know? What an assault course to remember. Only the skillest people can make it. Alternatively, people with unlimited lives, as in infinite lives. Die, door, which probably isn't a door. Die, face. Die, die. Oh, there is a reason for wandering around. Batons. Oh, what a shot, without even aiming. I think they are timed. It's terrible. A golden bolt. Yeah, they are timed. That's not fair. Hopefully there's only 3 of them. Maybe it is fair. Because once you know where they are, it's not a problem. Ba-ba-da-ba-dum. Wait, oh, go away! Had a feeling there was going to be another one. Just to be a moo. I don't know who Mr. Creepypasta is, but I know Creepypasta is some kind of thing online with weird supernatural stories or something. Oh, the door's open. Maybe? No, it came back. What was this for? Oh, that opened. Light. Nope. Yagami. All the tasty money. Why can't... Oh, where did you come from? You get far too much time. Ledge by the other door. Oh. Well, now that I know about it, I have to, because I can't miss out on a shiny golden bolt. Oh yeah, I see. How is anyone supposed to find this? It's quite easy, actually. Oi, thank you. Thanks, Mud, for making it bounce back up to me. Oh, oh! Yum. No, it'd still be better if it had a little success jingle. But oh well. Whoop. Blub, blub. How long should I stream for? Well, I guess it's only been an hour and a half so far. It feels a lot longer than that. And my throat's not too bad today. Yeah. Maybe it's because I've been drinking. Gosh, Miles. It's another disguised loading screen. No, it probably isn't. Do I want to empty this water or not? Oh, there's a fish in it. Die! Wait, who doesn't know the potato chip thing? I know the potato chip thing. How can anyone not know the potato chip thing? It's very eatable. Can I kill it? Die, fish! You are made of metal. Even though you made a very unmetallic thwack sound. What stupid people don't watch anime? You are not welcome here if you don't watch anime. Well, I guess you are. but you should still watch anime, because it's good. Well, to be fair, I haven't watched anime for a long time, so I guess I technically don't watch it, but I still would. No, that's not water, it's the complete opposite. Splish! Oh wait, I should have killed them, because they're going to eat me now. Can I break out? Nope. It's not a vor simulator. What? Shut up. My favourite anime of all time is Yu Yu Hakusho. And I would still watch it again, even though I've watched it like 6 times, and it's like 120 episodes. Oh my god. Or as Blaze Kitty would say, Ermag herd. The herd of Ermags. And I already made that joke last time, but oh well.